Now, in the previous section, we saw how to link data from Excel into a Word document. In this case, we're going to do a similar sort of thing, but in this case, we're going to link a chart. So here I am within Excel. If I just click on the chart here to select it, that's now selected. I'll press Ctrl+C to copy this into the clipboard. I'll go over to Microsoft Word, and again, I click on the down arrow under where it says Paste. I click on Paste Special, and again, I click on Paste Link. And that will insert it as a Microsoft Office graphic object, and it will be linked. So let's click on OK. So we see the information there. Now, if you look at this example here, if we go back to Excel, let's go and change that data for the South region for 2019. Let's change that to 9. So you can see this is now changed. If we go back to Microsoft Word, as you can see, that is now dynamically updated. And as before, if I was to close down this Microsoft Word document and then make some changes to the original Excel workbook, if I then subsequently reopen this Word document, this would dynamically update because the two are now linked.